Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this outside tap. As you can see underneath the tap there's this little bubble of water which indicates there's a slight weep on this outside tap. So first of all we're going to turn the mains water off, normally under your kitchen sink. This one's in the garage. Turn that off, then we're going to open the tap, let any excess water out that might be in the pipe. This might go on for several minutes, so just keep an eye on it. Once it stops like this, then we're ready to grab our adjustable spanner that I struggled to put on here. Put it round the flat surface of the outside tap, and then you want to twist it in an anti-clockwise direction. So if you looked at a clock, that's 12 till 9, not 12 till 3. So you want to twist that until it comes loose to the touch, and you can spin it out by hand then. So here we go, spin it out. So with that out, there's a bit of excess water. What we're going to do is we're going to clean these threads up with the excess PCFE with a knife. Once that cleared up, what I use is Loctite. So on the Loctite it says that I need to roughen up the threads. So I do that with my grips, wiggling it left to right, working my way around the thread. As you can see on the thread, it's quite chewed up a little bit now. So the Loctite, it says in the instructions that you need to roughen the threads, and it tells you how many turns you should put on. On here I've put about 8 to 9 turns. That's a bit more than it recommends, but I find it's better to go a little bit more than under and redo the job twice. So I'm going to tighten by hand here until it gets tight, and then grab my adjustable spanner once again on the flat surfaces, and I'm going to spin it in. With this you got to make sure you don't go too much, because sometimes the tap will stop at a funny angle. You want to see what the gap is at the back from the back plate and make sure that you don't go too much. You just want to line it up straight. With that all done, you want to turn the mains back on, head back over to the tap you just fixed, and check for leaks. Run your finger under there, make sure there's no bubbles of water. And that is how you fix an outside tap.